Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to export your EasyEDA project as an Altium designer file. First, go to top menu and click File. Then select Export from the drop-down menu. A list of export options will pop up, and you'll see a lot of different formats to choose from. Just find and click Altium Designer. That's the AD file format we want. Besides AD files, there are plenty of other options skills too, like exporting global files, images, or 3D models, and so on. You can do it all from this menu. And that's it for today's demo. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also into PCB design. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.